Reure. Ake ndo getagwo ruru. And I don't know imefika wapi siku hizi. Life expectancy rate. No idea nyihete. I don't know in Kenya what the expectancy rate is now. I think around independence, the life expectancy rate kurigana research. I think yale hakuwa 80. Because you hit the muno.
Yokago ikurukete.
And that is based on research. It is not just observation. Yes.
Ndio tuelia.
Ito tukokile registrar of birth
and death.
Yes. Life expectancy rate ya Kenya raisi mudo ne miaka igana. 66.
No era ikuruka.
Ngiri ati ajeho.
Kayathi. Ne athire biro 70.
Ndo sikatusigetie igana. That's 66. According to research, you know, research yekagwo ado matengura gomena miaka igana mostly. Never ruta this kind of
the statistics.
The statistics. So you cannot doubt this.
Wauga ni 66.
Yes. In ordinarily.
Agadatigete 72 ni age ikuruka.
Thia ikurukete no turagia hazards. What have you? No research no gereka that women live longer than averagely than men.
Which is true.
It has always been like that anyway. Yes.
So men can even be below 66.
So man is 61.9. Eno tano tu akihereria yake.
Hau agane maikurukia muno.
Maikurukia ninge muno. Tafiti ucio ni wekwo ringi.
Ni macoke kiwanja ringi.
Ni wekwo ringi utafiti ucio. Ni njui andu aingi mahicukite hau.
Na mario sawa.
Yes. Now life expectancy rate no ore rathi thiri. Naguo nayo independence age. Na yathi iguru. No tene. Wakora muno ni atuika independent at a very young age. Nego ikara miaka mingi muno. Yes. Those are istu na cio tha ici. Ona aria me high school tha ici, the generation that is in high school. Tiai maretwara thukuru.
True.
Largely because of a lot of factors. Security, what have you. I can go to Waru.
Nema.
Yes. On a primary. Yes. No kwendo itwatho mie tutoi ati weke do ta school bus ege mwana nyumba.
The school bus.
Yes.
School bus.
Because gesagi kwena ginya school, very nice yellow school bus.
Jegavio na school vans.
The academy. Agira ciana hau ke.
Kehigo ine.
Yes. Most of us going to school was like a voyage. It was an exploration.
School bus.
Wa makake huruta ke mwagetengeria ginya mucie.
School bus especially andu a marathomire ibukuru iria ina Mr na Mrs Kamau.
Yes.
Ne twarigagwo nyamo icio ioparetaga ku.
And how sikigera ihe.
Hello children ri.
Ate aciari meteire mwana aume school bus ya Mr Kamau. Na nderefa mutungu.
Aje to hiragia na fiction.
No, actually people in the rural areas used to think that okay, this one is yona oko. There was I think he still operate metal Jim's school bus. Very nini in the 90s. He used to operate a lot. And there be primary na kini makina. No rugogo.
Unfathomable.
You see, even your father would not accept that kind of privilege. Where the vera magoro we ogero ne gari.
Kawatu ekireo.
Who are you? Korado mawedio.
Ti ogero ne gari. Nigetha ki?
Ejia independence teneri. Mwana thie na thariri. Gweci atwaragwo thabari ici. Wiki ta igere oguo ithiete muno na wiki eno enge ya gatatu ri ni agukinyio nuthu akarore wakinya haria riu cukuru ni urawona. You see there were no motor vehicles ate mwana ni akuguthwo ni ngari
kana nduthi.
All the dogs in the area were our community. Nicio ya andu akuguo. Uga muroi aya thie. Thie waja.
No hiuhe.
No hiuhe. Nikura thutha.
Tengera.
Okwa marana bocio rina runyatha runene.
Na mahato.
Watigira neigira ke.
Eigira thukuru.
No na thukuru ti uria thiko ici wona ati haria ngethine na mundu wa gutunga ciana. Ni ethe kirathi. And you know, now the rona stiirigago.
Asa. It was just an open field.
Actually, Nazare yahana riri. It looked like it's a crash. Kirashi.
Turashi tule ngombe.
That is a permanent building. Actually, Nazare it looked like a deserted building. So she was another tiero itogote.
Natigane riu maundu mabetie ko integratwo nginya mathukuru gakora nginya Nazare na irathi icio ni iratukanio na thukuru munene ri kaingi matuku ma tene Nazare yakoragwo detached
na ko hari oguo buroti-ini. And I think that was the prestige yaku makuthie thukuru nene.
Wajagia ku orientwo mugithie kanitha.
Yes.
Nigetha wajie kuharirio psychologically.
Yes.
Ukona nona thukuru ya ciana. Ukoro maita meri matatu.
Yes.
Riu nigetha riria ukaharirio rucinde.
Yes.
Na noe mwalimu wa Nazare was always the same person.
The same person? Actually, she was one. Atira gutire kirathi.
Igwerago. Uguthii ukore wa Susana.
Iveta wori tu ariao.
Wakora wa Susana ri.
Yes.
Umwire ni woka. Indio maitu gwaramuohirie Reji akeiruka hwaini.
Yes.
Aramwira ni ukuroka.
Yes.
Find your way.
Find your way to school. Actually, na kwe mundu tatu cukuru even one day.
Ni kuri mundu tare watwarwo cukuru.
Tondu wanda circumstances ukinyia miaka 5 ya Nazare ri niwe twara ruwi no gacoka. Cukuru niki hau.
No gathie buroti no gacoka.
Wega biu.
Na Nazare rigaine na buroti.
Yes. Wathia to report to duty.
Gathi wakora mwalimu wa kuria. Witagwo atia? Sege.
Simon Sege.
Wow.
Bagofia.
Oh.
Oka weka atia. Githama.
Tekira ke bubenjura ya kuisia na ikero iguthia thiire.
Yes.
And you create your space there.
No, you fit in. Gutiare protocol.
Acha.
Ona waithia Nazare mwalimu akandika ndakuregister next term iyo wengi. Ati andu akwandikie ndo ni akuwi.
Ukuma huwa-ini no ethane na ciana cia bara ya kwanyu.
Yes.
Muinukanie.
Na waikaranga second term wiki moda. Ona gothi na acera ni aciarie gukero we. Sage. Doinoke. Na emwe.
No, Nazare wabataraga gupakirwo irio.
Yes. Na iria to ciana cia tena cio ni cia na addiction ya kuonga. Kwaja cai. Ciana cia tena ni cia ng'araga.
Niwe wapakirwo irio na cai ri.
Yes.
Kusoma itajileta.
Itajileta yenyewe. Itajileta. Hiyo ni kitu ya kujileta.
Bora kule kurabatara kuinwo.
Yes.
We uigire system-ini.
Na actually Nazare ri. They would make sure mwalimu wa make sure there is loud activity. Nigetha gwakirwo mumenya ciana ni ciarekere. Neko izama dudufe. No, it was very harmonious and melodic. You know, the voice of children is like that of the archangel. Yes.
Nazare rwimbo nä rwakoragwo rä rå ingä.
I think even the teachers used to give up. But let them have it their way. Paprika, kuliga.
And just like that, you are recruited into the education system.
Yes, that was 84 for you. While you're home, you have to self-treat yourself. Your immune system is called upon. Wagusagia imira kiumia kimwe kahona. Yeah, the kushitira gucia imi. It's very rare. Onagisagi. Kana okira ndo e make guciria miaka ena.
However, na imira.
They were with a running nose. Not very good sight.
Well, the village would accommodate you.
No, actually, the village used to. That was not a. It was not a trigger warning for any ailment.
No.
That was said. Actually, they would consider it an acceptable allergy. I know your siblings would get mad. Mary to the medium or when you qua.
No more, Yakomira.
No, Hagero Gasiva.
They go to Gasifu.
Now, don't a man Agabi or Mother Maria Giman. There are more Hero Gasifu Makia Mamma.
As your Naitagi Abia.
Naitag. Tika ego say you are in Nazareth school.
Na nada mwalimu agiana agionia ni urastira kunyita ginya nyembo.
Yes.
Ni amenya hapa kuna mlima.
Ni amenya mundu taranyita maundu mena rithi mri. Ndio na ya we ni uhuthu wi kuota tu. Ndio na kiundu kiu no ya kimuci. I know another school teacher would teach 5 generations. Ni auta kumenya from case study. Where was your annual?
Ena fairo. Ulemererwo ni rwimbo. Yamenya ruo we kinya ucemania na buku siria siriri.
Yes. Marina itetisa. Dereka ibadele.
Nikwira ciana
Children, Sivia Mota.
Garden.
Sika na baba. Kemani isong sa. Kemani kemanaka. No, people used to be dependent at a very early age. Where to otagia kirare?
No.
Wa urakiuburia muguo kona he mwaki ukaira mitungo iri.
Ukaubeka ngwaci. Neva ikomira 52. Kemani. Ito wethara na bota.
Hey the munini onyua munoi niwe mutheri uyu. Ithe kwa yuti ara getheini na goko kugereta ke guothe.
Gukita gucera.
Numeria ciana ikitutha mana cia.
Wa alafu
Dariganirwo. Oh, now you cannot ask them, you cannot interrogate them like that. They're good. The only thing that would was probably the number of their parents, the phone number, at the body. Namuhiri. Asa witane gurumo. Yo gurumo mesiene eno.
Tatu.
Ere dadi. Wagathoika. Kwa asiri. Panyule kwa asiri.
Asa.
Wagathoika.
Asa.
Nĩ mũcio wĩ haha rũĩ-inĩ haha he nyaigĩ.
Kũu kwa marebe.
You will be forced to know a lot. Na mwathiaga magĩkumagaria magũtware mũciĩ rĩ. Okamarika. Na direte. Yeah, to survive.
Mabe makuhangire kindu ngiikia kana. One energy ya gutembea.
Yes. Raure. Telephone.
Thimu.
Cia mabairo. Mobile yokoro guori. Kinya nyimbo ni cia tungiro cia mobile. Yes. This is a very popular one by John DeMarvin. Yes. Wa mobile. Yes. Asirona aya maina o hangla kuma ruguru rwa kuria kwa merani. No, don't touch my mobile. Modo ekuda kia rakuda ri. Ni ale hagiro girathi ichi.
Ithatu.
Yes. Imwe ni akenyuo. Eno ege ni ya biro. Neno ege ni ya ke?
Ya mogorio.
Ya mogorio. Mogorio dwaigagirwo for Mike. Kina Muthoni will not know. There's a time a mobile phone was prestige.
Hey, the mobile had a statement.
Yes. Hedo iti loud speaker. No, I get a loud speaker. Yes.
No, the thimu yatuikire a way of life.
You know. Hey, kwe de thimu ya na musiga. Mutu wina thimu. And you know thimu uri, especially rogori. Titari watene cia ingihire. You know there are many solutions, Chinese, what have you, fast grade, all the way. Tene mobile modo kwa jia kugura mobile uri. It was a procedure. Yes. Wabo ku mogetungumania. Oga taoni ria hakui. Ekenya ni oni otungata ucio wa Safaricom. Kana otungata ore marae kwenderia. Oka na gota Safaricom tondu ni twende train icio tocio kana kamondo. Yes.
Na mundu agurite raini ya kamondo ri.
Yes.
Ni mundu ukionangite otu maundu bururi uyu.
Reke tuge ucio ri. Nionete imera.
Kawaleti kare kare ka black.
Yes, get go SIM toolkit. And the people were not as informed on the kare ginya na manual.
Niko isi ginya thimu itiokaga na manual.
Itire. Tena thimu yokaga na mafukuta mana. Yao cokagia kirathi.
Ndio ni musage mu.
Yes. Kana mo Ericsson kana mo Siemens.
Na ifuku.
Na ifuku mundu akirithoma ni akirama wan. Na andu rugongo makona we na akiri muno ugithomera thimu. Yes. Hedo ndo menyithite mweno au na afuku ha.
Mwoka na kirathi.
Yes. Waja riu wakinya haha thimu icio kiena composer. Composer ya melody. Yes. Ugathoma. Ting. Thimu wamba kugura SIM card.
Wabagia na SIM card.
Yes.
Orio thabari-ini na mwihoko-ini no uri kinyaniria riu kugura nginya handset.
Yeah, exactly. Wagura ru SIM card iyo. The next step yari ya kumimenyeria thimu na njira ya kuhoya mundu.
Thimu ni cia hoyanagwo.
Mundu muhotanite. Mukinya na ikiro. Kama ndeithia njikire raini. Hore.
Headset yaku.
Yes.
Njikire raini.
Yes. Nowadays people don't want that.
No. It's not even very safe.
It's not.
It's not safe.
No, these days of cybercrime. You cannot.
Yes. Maneno hapana.
Waruta iga uyakia raini uyakia.
Uyakira yaku. Ting ting ting.
Na kana guona ta thimu yaciweka ya. It used to be a beautiful feeling. Wakihura. Horera ngathira. Ona dayo thimu ne Kimani. Yes.
Agakihura mukaria.
Yes. Oguo noguo mundu athia okegira mungurio wa?
Mukegira mungurio waku.
Absolutely. It was a process. How do you trust the
process?
Yes. Na kamondo kau actually muno ndronie nako
he ucio akiri muigindo
ni mukuru ti mundu munini
nikio
ni mukuru tumondo tu kutoa safari kwa mtu wa mbere kali na kwaja ha kuhingari
he ngamwita thiraga ndiwe marutaga ku he ngamwita thiraga
ndu ciana ciakwa cianjirie itagwo ti ngamu I'm forgetting the name yes
that one
yes iyo nwe gatuka nginya oreti
Elu no acoka gakonvert gagatuika wallet.
Yes. Na muno kale ka wallet gatumia we mundu rume no.
Okay, kuri arume makahuthagira.
Yes. Thimu na cigecoka iuka mithemba. Tene thimu citiarĩ nyingĩ.
Aca gutiarĩ ati variety nyingĩ to muthi.
Actually thimu ta Blackberry ri. Blackberry. Diakinyia ruanga.
Blackberry.
Ona yuka kuninukio thoko-ini. I think it's still there. But yuka kuninukio this market ri. Diathiete ruongo wega.
Asa.
Blackberry.
Asa. Kwa jere yari jarie.
Era they used to say it has what keyboard?
Yetagwo is QWERTY or something.
QWERTY.
QWERTY keypad.
Yes. Blackberry. We kwa Blackberry ni ihura guoko. Na negakuhi. Yes.
Na color screen.
Yes. And a big screen. Screen yari nuthu ya thimu. Kwa Blackberry maikara kona akanyito. And Blackberry was the iPhone then.
On the iPhone you move.
Yes. Hodro wako kiria kiari ya muno ni 3310. Na ndai getha 310 kira mekia na muno ni guthaka nyoka. Ni yari na nyoka.
But that one was a very popular model.
No, very popular. It was not cheap. Yes. Na dia umira imbo.
Apana.
Ikarie original ginya githira. Yes. Na ni one of the first phones yo kiria tari na munyugi. Yes.
That 310
with a vibrator. Yes. Aka Sony Ericsson ke oka ina flap. Wishoka yo karu slide up. Yes. Ya go slide na iguru hi. Kauna ko nime wala mundu eka hi. Slide up. Sika bi hi. Allo, atiwe ko gu ni oya.
Adu aru musi Messi 113 na si 118.
Yeah.
Makagura guoya.
Keho wake gitura rigi mareka menya gwe thimu yakio.
Messi 113.
Yes.
Nekanukaga.
Very loud.
No ni kendeirwo kuiga mwaki.
Nikaiga mwaki ndwe gatia. Wandigo cia nikare calculator. That's a very basic phone.
Kale oga kuhura na kwamukira thimu.
Na message.
Na message.
Na kaihura message baudi.
Useless guy.
Ndagi manya se kwende thimu taku wa thimu makiria matu message makiria matu wedi.
Nyamwira ihurio na SMS tu wedi.
Akwira please delete.
Useless gadget.
20. There was no memory.
Urega daruthi mwishoke kwendia gukarucie na slot ya memory card.
Yes. It is a polyphonic ringtone. Yes. Polyphonic chatagala ginya Kiss 100. Uri ogewe. Ndikura uwe. Kalikeria kana ni mutoko. Na baby J Nyams bakiri oro polyphonic. Kari gothi mweyo. Ndio muno ni okana ni ofitua. Othiorokia nduka cia thimu wone tu. Wo wio ndire mutamburuko wake.
Mutamburuko wa thimu. Ciaritwo display.
Let me tell you. Those were the days. Hey hoeta wori. I know that it is the 2100 can 1112. This one here.
Oh, 1112 kale na face ya grayish.
Yes.
Na body ya bluish cloud.
Exactly.
Kauna ko nikende turugongo.
Nikende turugongo. Nagacoka ko hard. Ai karaka bath ni cia ibaga.
Ne kaibaga. Ko hard.
Let me tell you. Back then phones were the way of life.
na dimenya thimu icio kana ne kure citakire na maundu maingi tuthimu tu twatene ne twaiga mwaki tita thimu cio muthi.
You see, ona ajathi iria na ajathi wake oini they will tell you makihura thimu studio ri mahura na tu twatene tondu processor yake is as simple as calling and that,
just that,
ndire na maundu maingi riu mwaki ne
kuiga.
Yes. Waki wa thimu raikara wiki ngima na mwaki.
Yes. Mundu acaja kasande athikanitha umira buroti
umenye ndiare TikTok ndiare Facebook atugotinda hau ndiare WhatsApp
ndiare neti,
there was nothing social about it. It was just
maundu ni magicenjetie.
Catherine was telling us to make the QWERTY keyboard. Yes. Na keti waira
no ale na BlackBerry ori
ale kule kwa Oblivion Martha na office yo yali lifestyle ni BlackBerry. Yes.
Ono akiruba nele na BlackBerry ori
na BlackBerry.
Yes.
Ne kimoda
wakiruba nake ndanajania na maundu ira
aikoni na BlackBerry
ali nayo
kile wima BlackBerry
ali nayo ya black.
I never owned one. By the time I would have owned one this year review.
Wakiruba ali nayo
BlackBerry ya mbere ni ndamionire na mwara oyo muthaki wa mthako ya ngerekano. Yes.
Here we are.
Maura bro mandiri raini no yoka na kamukeferi kana maguta ma usole ndiri icio nä iria cia mbere biå. Yes. When Safaricom came, say let's go green. Yes.
Yo nä mbere muno.
Nä mbere
tene muno.
Tene. Yes. Nyimana ipatari ya ke wabici ya githirikari ndwe na gore gutwarithania wabici mucibiri ondo cio ni utekaga ihinda nake me thiko ciretire ria ke
ria tene.
Yes. Thiko ici clearance level ya mawabici maingiri ni araihire
riu tita tene.
Yes. You see, tenere everywhere was almost accessible.
Anywhere.
Toyera hiro toni hau mbere.
No gatuikania.
Toigira nginya Thorntree restaurant ile ko haria the Stanley. Yes. You see, undu uria wathukirie accessibility muno guku Nairobi. Was it an act, the anti-terror?
Kwa jeria cioko cia terrorism.
Yes. How no thina woke
Fio ginya kundu gutari ngiriro gugikirwo.
Ndirakwira kundu kungi warorogoro uguo kono we mukenya ndwetagio kibandi. Thiko ici ni uihurie maundu.
No kundu kumwe ginya huru hakuhe woyo irore.
Yes. Ucoke wambie na ndiye ndo acio kana nimamenya kaya mugauka hapa.
Ginya huru wabisa.
Wone ke urauga we. The levels of clearance. Ona ndwaro ngoro ni moka makauga atiriri.
Ni tiukia hitu kiragathaia.
Makinya level ya gatati ya clearance manogari. Makurro kima makwa. Ne tu makondo kou.
Arafu
twatangwo muno. No, tena waumagirira wasiri. Especially wanyu.
And by there you would walk into an office.
You would literally. Yes.
Wakora karanio mwire. Mwambie ni jao wao.
Mwambie unaona balia nani ya kahiliga.
Ukimwambia hivyo ataskanisa. Ogathi wingirite. No, airport ni ndadika tugitwara baba mwatha. Tuthiete nginya airside.
Ai, riu airport gutiagece.
Mwathia nginya hau ndege-ini. Ikihingwo mirango niguo mwiragwo muthonge. Thiko ici kaũtacenjirie.
Tirĩrĩ arĩa tene.
Kwanja mawabici maya mau ma kambuni ici ciĩrũgamĩtie rĩ, clearance nĩ akuĩte ya UN. Yes. Na no atega to tirĩrĩa kwahanaga tene andũ marĩ free.
Rĩu thikũ ici you don't take chances.
Yes. Things have really changed na andũ nao no matuĩkire akwa kwĩhokeka. Yes. Nĩngwĩra Nairobi no to nĩ njiarĩirwo gũkũ na ngarererwo kuo rĩ. Kwĩ hĩndĩ Nairobi nduka ici ũrona ciarĩ gĩcicio gĩtheri.
O gĩcicio tu.
Gĩcicio pek na ti tene.
Ti tene tondũ rĩ Nairobi nacio nduka ciaingĩhia mĩrango na ciĩkĩrwo mĩrango ya cuma.
Yes.
Kuma kwanjia maandamano.
Kuma kwanjia rĩrĩ Sabasaba. Yes. Kuma hĩndĩ ya Sabasaba. The first one. Hau nĩ andũ mekĩire ngiri. Nduka ici wakoraga ona nĩ nduka ũngĩgũtha gĩcicio ũingĩre. It was like Dubai.
Ona ũtukũ ciatiga ciakĩtio thitima UK.
Wega biũ.
See the display.
Ũcurĩirio iratũ hau. Na nduka ĩngĩ yatũyagia mũno yetagwo Psychomat.
Nukiro wa Nairobi ira.
Psychomat mũthoni ndamiũĩ. Kwĩ Nairobi gatagatĩ matuka-inĩ Moi Avenue kwĩ na nduka ya gaikia. Showroom ya baithikiri. Yes.
Moi
Avenue. Yetagwo Psychomat. Twahĩtũkagĩra hau wone.
Kuona mama meithikiri.
Yes. Hĩndĩ ĩyo meithikiri rĩ. Showroom ciarĩ devolved. Mũithikiri wagĩragwo Nairobi.
The capital.
Yes. Na mũndũ akĩgĩra mũithikiri ndarigaga. Tondũ ũkaga nginya na andũ. Ũgĩrĩte yetagwo Phoenix kana yetagwo atĩa?
Phoenix yarĩ njirũ.
Yes. Iyo nĩyo yarĩ the premier brand. Yes. Wakĩrĩ Black Mamba.
Low-end.
Mũthoni ndangĩmenya ũkoroni ndwathiririo rĩmwe. Andũ nĩ makuona marũa ma baithikiri. Niĩ nĩ njũkĩte haha biũ kĩaikũrĩhĩra mũthere endio. Marũa make?
Kũgata marũa ma redio.
Yes. Rĩu anjathi wa iria mangĩgatĩte marũa gũkũ magatoga. Tondũ nĩ akameme ndamu.
Ngĩrĩ na license yũrĩtie nyũmba.
Yes. Ya kuonania redio ĩno nĩ hĩtũkie. Na mwene nĩ mwĩtĩkĩrie
kũmĩthikĩrĩria.
Na ũragata marũa tio marakũgũrĩra mahiga.
Ona tio makũgũrĩire redio ĩyo.
Let me tell you, things have really changed in this town. Na matina cenjia tene.
Asa.
Between 1989 and the year 2000, a lot has changed.
A lot.
Dramatically. Yes. Nĩkĩ ũragũtwara yake ya ICC ũkaingĩra lift shwa.
No kabata.
Ukabata kũrĩa igũrũ.
Ũmũthĩ nĩ ũkũrequire some
level of clearance before you get there. Yes. On a State House ĩno ĩha tiga nĩ kaka twagĩthomagĩra hau. We used to walk in there. Yes.
Thaa ici rĩ. Wewe.
Waja kuma anake mamĩgwete rĩ. Kuma mumo mĩgwete rĩ. Ĩroragwo ta iria rĩkĩ.
Rĩriko.
Yes. Do you know State House ya na rũgiri rwa chain link ithuĩ tũgĩkũra?
Waya.
Yes. Chain link. Na kwĩ andũ mahũthagĩra shortcut kũu magĩthiĩ Arboretum.
Ũmũthĩ ũrogeria.
Akwĩra bũrũri ũyũ nĩ wacenjirie
mũno.
Ũcenjia proper.
Biũ.
Atĩ kũingĩra handũ ũguo ũrabatara kwĩ-identify maita ta matatũ.
Yes. No ciekwo biũ.
Ũmenya hĩndĩ ĩyo tene gũtiarĩ nginya mĩrango yakorwo ĩ wazi. Yes. Gũtirĩ kũndũ wakorwo atĩ mũrango wĩna kĩara ũrekĩra ũkaingĩra.
Ũmũthĩ ũingĩra kũndũ nginya ũraheo kandi ya access.
Ũrainya
ya kũhingũra mĩrango.
Yes. No, things have changed. Psychomat.
Ndũrĩ wa Nairobi irona.
Aca ndiĩ wa ira.